What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randy, aka Naturally Fearless, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. Welcome. But in today's video, I am going to be talking about some deep conditioners that I've had in my stash that I didn't know that I had in my stash until quarantine. So this is basically like my favorite quarantine discovered deep conditioners. But as you guys know, I like to do affordable hair care products, affordable ways to take care of your natural hair where you can still have long, healthy, natural hair, or whatever your goals are for your hair. So all of these deep conditioners that I am going to be showing you guys today are definitely very affordable. So we stick with that over here. Y'all know I am not about, spending no small fortune on no hair products. I tell y'all that all the time because it is possible to have natural hair without hurting your pockets. Okay, so I have 5 deep conditioners that they were in my stash. I mean, I had used them sparingly, like here and there, but while we were in quarantine and we couldn't go anywhere, y'all, I was using, what was in my product stash because we couldn't go anywhere. I didn't want to order anything. I was already ordering too much stuff off of Amazon. So that's how we discovered these 5 deep conditioners that I fell in love with during quarantine. So first one up on the list is the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. If you guys have been rocking with me for a while, then you know I stand for some Texture ID. You guys might hear my daughters in the background. I got them in there watching Coco Melon. Y'all know I got Tyler. So if y'all hear that, that's what that is. But I really love this deep treatment mask. It has sweet almond oil, wheat protein, and honey. It restores, strengthens, and hydrates. All of that good stuff is supposed to repair dry, frizzy curls. I absolutely love this deep conditioner, y'all. When I tell y'all I used it, like, it is gone. Y'all know I don't promote stuff that I don't use, so it is gone. But anytime I use this deep treatment mask, my hair feels wonderful afterwards. Like, it definitely does restore my hair, and I use this kind of as a small protein treatment for my natural hair, since it does have the wheat protein in it. I've been using it like every other week, because like one week I like to do a regular deep conditioner, and then the next week I like to do a protein, just so I can get some protein in my natural hair care. Absolutely love this Texture ID, y'all. Next up on the list is an oldie but goodie. It is the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. And this one is supposed to restore and strengthen dry, damaged hair. So it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, or mineral oils. I use this one mostly for my daughters. I have been using this one for Mila, my 2-year-old, the one that you guys always see in the videos. I have been using this on her hair since before I can remember. Like, this is the only deep conditioner that I use on Mila's hair. If you have not seen Mila's hair care routine, I'll link a couple down below, but her hair is great. And each and every time I use this deep conditioner on her hair, afterwards her curls are popping, they're hydrated. Like, it transforms her hair like tremendously from keeping her hair in protective styles. After you take them out protective styles, sometimes they're dry or whatever. This definitely brings her hair back to life. So I absolutely love this Cantu Mask. And like I told y'all, we promote what we use over here, okay? We ain't wasting no money. Remember that. So the next one up on the list is the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask with coconut oil. And if you saw my favorite shampoos video, then you saw that I absolutely love using this shampoo. And when I use the shampoo, I love to use the deep treatment mask with it, just to keep that going. I always tell you guys I have dry, itchy, like flaky scalp. And this Head and Shoulders Royal Oils collection, like, it definitely helps with that. Each and every time I use it, my scalp feels amazing. I feel the tingling and everything like that. And this one, it's supposed to intensely moisturize hair and scalp, long lasting scalp relief for curly to relaxed hair. no sulfates, parabens, and dye free. So if you guys have any scalp issues like I do, I definitely recommend that you try the Royal Oils collection. Next up on the list is the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipes. This is from that hairline. The Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. No sulfates, parabens, no mineral oils, and no petroleum. And this one is enriched. I can't talk today, y'all. What is going on? It has flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, avocado, coconut oil, and it's for dry, damaged, and protective styling. This one I started definitely using, like I said, all of these during quarantine, but I think I was using this one intensely. If you guys saw my moisturizing hair care shower routine, you guys saw this one in there. Each and every time I use it, the slip on this deep conditioner is amazing. So if you're looking for a deep conditioner with amazing slip, I mean, like, I finger detangle easily with this Aunt Jackie's deep conditioner. So just keep that in mind. Definitely worth the price because it does exactly what it says. It does what it says for my hair. Remember, I always tell y'all guys, show y'all stuff, you know, how it works for my hair. And the last one up on the list is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Mask. I use this in conjunction with the shampoo as well. So when I use the shampoo, I use this one. And this one is a detox and soften heat activated mask. It has no parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, or petroleum. And it's definitely, like it says, heat activated. So you definitely want to make sure you use heat, sit under a hooded dryer, you know, a microwave, deep conditioning cap, you know, whatever. It has its best potential when you use it with heat, you guys. And like I tell you, it's definitely affordable. But these 5 masks that I have here, I use them for different specific reasons. So if I'm going for something for moisture, a detox, a protein treatment, or, you know, my scalp, whatever the case, I have all of that within these 5 masks, and they're all extremely affordable, which sits right with my pockets, y'all. So I'm always looking for deep conditioners. Usually I reach for deep conditioners before I reach for a new shampoo. So let me know in the comment section down below what deep conditioners you guys use or which ones are your favorites. And that's going to be pretty much it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to show you some affordable options for your deep conditioning on your wash days. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can know each and every time I upload any new videos. Follow me over on my Instagram page at naturally_fearless. Don't forget, if you sat through this whole video and you ain't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the fam bam. We have fun over here. We do affordable natural hair care and affordable fashion. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. See you later, boos.